Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to open a demo account on Oanda. Oanda is a popular online forex and CFD trading platform that allows users to trade currencies, commodities, indices and more. If you're new to trading or want to practice without risking real money, opening a free demo account is the best way to start. A demo account gives you a virtual fund so you can explore the platform risk-free. So here's a full step-by guide to opening Oanda demo account on your PC. First, open any of the browser on your PC, Chrome, Edge, etc. and go to this address bar, type down oanda.com and enter it. And once you get into this interface, what you can do is scroll a bit down until you find this demo account. You need to click onto this demo account here. Over here, you'll need to fill your full address, your account details, personal details, citizenships, your home address, employment, everything, and you need to verify. And after filling in the details, you can create your demo account. And your demo account dashboard will open with the virtual account funds already added. And demo account use virtual money only. Market conditions are real, but execution may slightly differ from the living trading. You can reset your demo balance anytime from the setting, and that is it. You can successfully open a demo account on Oanda using your PC. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below, and we will reach out to you very soon.